guys, what's up? It's Jeremy Kruis here. This entire video I shot with my cell phone using this lens. This company called Bullyeyes sent this to me for me to review. So for this entire video I was using this lens and my cell phone. I really like it actually. It covers the whole frame. I'll post a link to Amazon for this product in the description, so be sure to check it out. This video is kind of a behind the scenes of one of our latest projects. We shot a project of WHANG OD, a 101-year-old tattoo artist here in the Philippines. I started filming in Banawe. I'm still testing out this lens. We're heading up to Buscalan to film a project, and we're stopping through Banawe.
Ooh, Tower of Hoop.
This is gonna be a full cell phone vlog. We're trying out the selfie cam. It's pretty wide, so there you have it. See, pretty wide. I'm not holding the phone that far from my face. Can you hear me though? Is my audio okay? Sometimes these things blocks the audio. Currently 7 a.m. We just arrived in Bontoc, eating breakfast right now, and then we're gonna try to catch a ride going to Buscalan. The edges are super distorted. Alright, there goes the bus. Right, we're heading to the turning point where we'll start our trek to the village. Alright, we're starting our hike. Anong pangalan nyo ulit?
Ano daw pangalan nyo? Jonah Norin.
Almost a year ago, or about a year ago, we also filmed a project about WHANG OD for CNN International. It was a ton of fun. We're back again this year doing another shoot with WHANG OD. Right, we have to go up here. So, if you're looking to get a tattoo from WHANG OD, you're gonna have to go through this. Look at Noreen. She's carrying my tripods on her head. Si Jonah kumakain pa ng chips dyan. This bag is getting so heavy. 15 kilograms on my back. Let's do it. Kaya pa, kaya pa. Try mo.
Wow! Kinain ko malalaglag ako pa.
Oo nga, ako din eh.
Ako eh. Gusto mo malaman kung gaano kabigat pa na to? Siguro mga 3 bata or 10 bata. Sino si Jonah? Taas kamay. Sino si Kuya Shipag? Sino si Noreen? Kaway.
Okay, someone's taking my bag for me.
Yeah.
I can make it now. This hike, I feel like regularly wouldn't be too bad, but with 2 days of travel before this and carrying our heavy bags, it's a little bit hard. Okay, we just made it. What?
I lost 100 pounds. 100 pounds. An hour of a gym.
Footage from earlier was of Eliang, one of WHANG OD's grandnieces. She's having her wedding today, so that's super cool. just reached a dead end, the rice fields. We are gonna cook some dinner, pancit canton. It's early the next day, drank our coffees. We were talking to our tour guides, si Jonah and si Noreen, and it's pretty interesting. So this village is pretty rural, there's no internet, there's not even cell phone signal. The housing is pretty simple, but everyone here, they said, has TVs where they can watch different channels. And then most people here also have smartphones, which they'll just download movies or songs and TV shows like when they're out in the city, and then when they come back here they'll just share it with each other to watch movies. So pretty interesting life here. And the morning life is pretty chill too. Everyone just wakes up, sits outside their houses, drinks coffee. We're making a simple breakfast this morning. Rice and tuna. Tuna fried rice. We just went and got some shots of WHANG OD doing tattoos. We're gonna go eat breakfast now and then head back down there to get more shots. Our fried rice. Hannah's mad at me.
Ang kutis! Yes! Sino ka? Ten, ten, ten. Aray, nag-nurse! Kuya Oliver is one of our tour guide here in Buscalan, so you can contact him. Yeah! Si Ann Kutis! Ayun po naman talent, kaway-kaway! Yes! Jonah Luis!
Si Anpalay.
Anpalay! Wait, Noreen, ikaw naman dun! Ikaw next! This is Jeremy.
Drinking coffee. This is WHANG OD's house. We're just waiting to get some shots of her this morning. What are we getting again? Anyways, mornings are super chill here. So relaxing. Cheers.
Sige, sige. Sakit. Charot. Anto. So, opos na yung prinsesa. Uy. Uy.
Right, check it out. This is the bathroom situation. It's actually not that bad. We got a nice tiled floor, toilet, got our water supply. Actually, a lot of places in the Philippines are like this, so maybe something you can expect. You just get your water in a dipper like this. Super cold water here in the mountains, but super refreshing. Here we go. Alright, that's what a shower is like here in the Philippines. Translating right now. Thank you, Buya.
Ansel. Okay. Very, dito. Wag sa akin. Ako din. Parang hindi ka ma-stress, ganun ka lang. We are currently having a pictorial with Elyang, the mambabato. Ayan. Yeah! Ayan, si Anpalay. I'll go, Grace. Ko na bahala. Yeah! Sige, okay lang. So, umpisa lang yan. Hello! Di ko na ka. Gusto mo hawak ba ulit? Gusto mo mag-post ulit? May isa po dito.
The time has come. We're leaving Buscalan now. Gonna take the hike back over there. Take the bus. Wontok, take another bus back to Manila. I don't want to leave. The vibe is so nice here. Buscalan is so chill, so relaxed. Hopefully the hike going back won't be as hard. This guy's coming with us. Come on!
Kaya mo yan, kuya. Ito po ang aming magandang tour guide, si Jonah. Ay, si Anpalay. Pero madami kami natutunan kay Anpalay kung paano mag-model, kung paano yung sakit siya, pose. Kaiba talaga yung pag-pose niya. Talagang pangpalay. Naaso. Tulong sa klolo, kailangan namin ng tour guide nyo, Mang Jose. Yan po yung mga tour guide naming model. Ay, ang ganda nyo, picturean dyan. Kung may gulay, stay there. Hello po. Good morning. Ang galing. Tapos tayo tayo na reklamo si ate hindi oh. Sweat has come.
It's inevitable. Tired? Huh? You tired? You tired?
We have new guests coming. Welcome to Buscalan, guys. Buscalan. I love Buscalan. Okay, the last.
Alright, the last thingy.
So talaga itsura niya. No hands daw. Doing no hands.
I'm doing good, but just super sweaty.
Ito po, nakakap ngayon si Angelina Jolie. Angelina Juling. Ito po si Anpalay. Nagmamodel pa rin ha. Kami tour guide na doggy. He followed us all the way from Buscalan till down here.
And just like that, the trip was over. I hope you enjoyed watching that. It's just a little kind of raw behind the scenes of what was going on during the shoot. Feel free to leave any questions, comments. If you have questions about this lens, did you like how it looked? Did it look kind of weird? Would you buy one? Anyways, guys, if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.